Mention the words weight loss and you can certainly spark a debate. Everyone seems to have their own favorite method, but unfortunately, it's a process much like a yo-yo. In today's video, we'll explore 9 bad habits that may be keeping most people from losing that weight and keeping it off. 1. Eating before going to bed. Most likely we eat late at night because it's a habit, not because we are hungry. If you were to keep track of all you ate at bedtime for 1 week, you may notice a pattern. You may be consuming something sweet and high in calories. If you feel you must eat something, select a piece of fruit. 2. Sleeping poorly. Keeping a set sleep schedule should enhance your sleep. If you don't have any set time to go to bed, your body's chemistry may get out of sync. This creates hormonal imbalances that trick you into believing you will only be satisfied if you eat. 3. Eating while distracted. Flopping down on the couch to watch TV after a long day can be relaxing. But before long, you may begin to snack without even paying attention to what you are consuming. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition conducted a study that revealed distractions result in a person eating 50% more calories. Just make sure the next time you sit down with your laptop or TV that snacks don't mysteriously join you. 4. Stress and anxiety. These 2 words can be your worst enemies. They can increase your weight and disrupt your quality of life. When we experience these feelings, we are confronted with emotional hunger. When this strikes, we tend to eat more. Our immediate urge is to relieve this distress by eating sweets or junk food. These are indeed serious issues, but if you must eat, try to first consume a piece of fruit with water or tea. 5. Eating quickly. Our generation is always in a hurry. We are a mobile society and eat on the run. Often we don't take time to properly chew our food. If we did, we would be more satisfied by feeling full. It generally takes 20 minutes to eat if we chew each bite slowly. 6. Being sedentary. If we lived in the Wild West and rode horses and walked more, we wouldn't fall victim to a sedentary lifestyle. This is one of the major factors in the global epidemic of obesity. When we sit, we eat. Then fat begins to creep around our midsections and we aren't so eager to get involved in physical activity. Make it a goal to avoid too much idleness and you'll be able to shed those pounds easier. 7. Skipping breakfast. If we don't manage to grab something on the way out the door to work or school, we may just skip breakfast entirely. Most dietitians and healthcare professionals agree that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Our food in the morning activates our metabolism, and once that switch is turned on, it tends to stay powered up all day. Without a good metabolism rate, it's nearly impossible to burn calories. Your first meal of the day should include proteins, a small portion of a healthy fat food, and combined complex carbohydrates. 8. Excessive salt. An accumulation of salt isn't good for your weight, but it can also cause fluid retention. When there's too much fluid, this may have a negative impact on your blood pressure. If flavor is what you are looking for, try other ways to spice up your meal. 9. Not consuming enough liquids. Our kidneys, among other organs, have difficulty functioning properly when they don't have enough water. For one thing, toxins can accumulate. To stay hydrated, experts suggest drinking at least 2 liters of water daily. This will lead to better elimination of waste and also prevent excess fluid buildup. One way to stay hydrated is to drink tea or natural juices. Consuming carbonated beverages is not a good source of fluid. This will only lead to weight gain because of their high levels of sugar. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.